Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you the simple way to edit a template in Asana. So first of all, you can see this is the main interface of Asana, and we have available these projects like YouTube automation. We will click on it. Now you can see there are multiple tasks available here, but we will click on YouTube automation. Now we have selected it. Now click on save as template. Now open it. Now you can change the name, like I am typing YouTube automation sample for template. So now I can also add privacy. You can select the relevant option. Now this template is still being copied. Now you can see simply we have added this template. You can use all these options to customize your template. Now we will click on continue. Now project overview is open. Now we will type here how we will cooperate. How can add desktop, like you can type here according to your choice. So you can also change the title here on the project view. So this is the simple way. Just you can also edit this title. You can also add multiple details like description of template. Now go to my workspace. Now you can see here we clicked on project. Now use a template. Now you can see YouTube automation simple is available here. Just click on this. Now you can see we have successfully edited the templates. Now we can also add further, like I'm typing project form, so you can add it multiple time. Now it will take some time to complete this process. You can see blue messages appear on left bottom side. Your template is being created. So after waiting for a few minutes, now your template is successfully edited. So in this way you can simply edit a template on Asana.